everybody, today I would like to show you this tent that you can set up on your SUV. I'm going to show you how I set this up on my vehicle, but I just wanted to point out a couple things about this that I really liked. First of all, the bag that comes with the tent is plenty large. I have bought tents in the past that I could not get back into the packaging. So as you can see, this fit in here very easily. We did not struggle to put it back together, so you can keep everything nice and wrapped up tight. You've got good quality straps here, and extra supportive strap right here in the middle to keep everything nice and snug and keep these from tearing. Inside your bag, there are step-by-step directions on how to set this up for your vehicle. It's very simple because the poles either extend, snap together, or they're connected by a string. So very, very simple in the setup and setting up the frame. The tent material also is lightweight and super durable. We went camping when it was really hot, really humid, and there was plenty of ventilation in our tent. There are 4 large windows in the main area of the tent, so lots of sunlight can get in, ventilation, keeps bugs out. What's great about this tent is that there's also 3 main compartments. You have your outside area, you have your main tent, and then you have a section that you can leave open or close, and that is to your vehicle. So if you want to sleep in your vehicle and close it off so that mosquitoes can't come in, or you want some privacy, you can have separate rooms. But this whole setup is adaptable to whatever your needs are going to be. I'm going to set this up, and thanks for watching.